Looking for the perfect niche to skyrocket your YouTube channel in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll reveal the hottest, fast-growing niches that can help you achieve massive growth in just a few weeks. Ready to find your breakthrough idea? Let's dive in. Niche number 1. Movies and TV shows. If you're a movie lover, this niche might be perfect for you. It's incredibly flexible, giving you room to experiment with different types of content. Plus, it's not hard to set up. You just need to bring your creativity to the table. You can explore this niche from 3 interesting angles. 1. Movie or TV show reviews. This option is all about watching the latest releases and sharing your thoughts with your audience. The catch: timing is everything.
There are legends of people with the gift of making music so true. It can conjure spirits from the past.
Most people look for reviews right when a movie or show is released, so you'll need to be quick. That means watching, analyzing, and uploading your video as fast as possible. It might take some time to get used to this pace, but if you enjoy staying current and sharing your opinions, it can be incredibly rewarding. 2. Funny movie summaries. If reviews aren't your thing, how about adding a comedic twist? Funny movie summaries let you break down popular movies or shows in a light-hearted, humorous way. Unlike reviews, these don't have to be released immediately after a movie comes out, giving you more flexibility.
In the ground and then kaboom. Supreme Leader, I think perhaps some of your information about bombs is coming from cartoons. Nonsense. I have been watching research films.
However, this format works best if you have a good sense of humor and can make people laugh. If comedy comes naturally to you, this could be a fantastic way to create engaging content. 3. In-depth analysis of movies or shows. This approach dives deeper into storylines, characters, and themes, offering your audience a thoughtful look at their favorite movies or series. It's less about sharing your opinion and more about unraveling what makes a story tick.
One step from the bottom of the class, especially in math, which is considered the most important subject to get into college. His classmates are rich, so they can afford tutors and boot camps, but Jiwoo is on student welfare.
If you're someone who loves to analyze and discuss the deeper meaning behind stories, this could be your calling. All 3 options offer great earning potential and can attract a loyal audience. It's really about choosing the format that excites you the most. Niche number 2. Pet-specific channels. If you adore animals and want to earn money while working with them, this niche is a no-brainer. It's simple. Choose a type of pet, dogs, cats, birds, or even hamsters, and create videos that are either entertaining or informative for pet owners. Pet lovers are always eager to learn new things about their furry or feathered friends, and they love watching relatable content. For instance, I own 2 dogs and I'm subscribed to several pet channels. I never miss an upload, because there's always something new to learn about my pets. What's great about this niche is how easy it is to start. Many creators rely on stock footage and AI tools to make their videos. For example, you can write a script using ChatGPT and engaging visuals and create the final video. The best part? You don't even need to own a pet, just a passion for animals and a creative mindset. Niche number 3. AI news channels. Artificial intelligence is booming right now in the globe. Every week, there's something new, whether it's a groundbreaking tool, an exciting update, or even a controversy. People want to stay informed, but they don't have the time to sift through hours of news articles or long videos. This is where you come in. You can be the go-to source for AI news, summarizing the latest developments in a way that's easy to understand. Think of yourself as an AI news anchor, delivering valuable information in bite-sized videos. Channels like this are already thriving in this space. Last year, the potential here is huge, and as AI continues to grow, so will the demand for content like this. However, staying updated on AI trends does require effort. You'll need to research regularly to keep your audience informed.